to light the cauldron. So as Scott walks over, hold it up nice and high one more time. Let's count it down. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scott Copeland, you are now part of PanAm history. What is going through your brain? What are you feeling?
A little bit of excitement. Yeah. Yes! That's about it.
I think you said it all, my friend. What made you want to be part of this amazing experience?
Actually, I was humbled to be invited to be part of the torch run. And it's just fantastic to see all these people out here. A few of them wearing their soccer jerseys. There's just a little bit of sport in all of us, so it's great that we can celebrate it.
Go Canada, go!
Ladies and gentlemen, see this here right now, this fun we're having. This is the spirit of the PanAm Games. This is the spirit of Parry Sound. This is the Canadian spirit, ladies and gentlemen. So, what better way, ladies and gentlemen, to celebrate the Canadian spirit than with the Canadian national anthem?
Oh yeah!
Donc, mesdames et messieurs, s'il vous plaît.